area under simple curves. We learnt definite integral as the limit of a sum and how to evaluate definite integral using fundamental theorem of calculus. Now, we consider the easy way of finding the area bounded by the curve y is equal to f of x, x-axis, and the ordinates x is equal to a and x is equal to b. Now, imagine the area bounded by the curve y is equal to f of x, the lines x is equal to a, x is equal to b, and x-axis is composed of large number of very thin vertical strips. Consider an arbitrary strip of height y and width dx. Then dA, that is area of the elementary strip, is equal to y into dx, where y is equal to f of x. This area is called the elementary area, which is located at an arbitrary position within the region which is specified by some value of x between a and b. Therefore, we get the total area A of the region between x-axis, ordinates x is equal to a, x is equal to b, and the curve y is equal to f of x by adding up the elementary areas of thin strips across the given region. Symbolically, area is equal to integration of a to b dA, which is equal to integration of a to b y dx, which is nothing but integration of a to b f of x dx. Similarly, the area A of the region bounded by the curve x is equal to g of y, y-axis, and the lines y is equal to c and y is equal to d is given by A is equal to integration of c to d x dy, that is integration of c to d g of y dy. If the position of the curve under consideration is below the x-axis, the area bounded by the curve x-axis and the ordinates x is equal to a, x is equal to b come out to be negative. But it is only the numerical value of the area which is taken into consideration. Thus, if the area is negative, we take its absolute value, that is modulus of integration of a to b f of x dx. Generally, we get some portion of the curve is above the x-axis and some portion is below the x-axis. That is, a1 can be less than 0 and a2 greater than 0. Therefore, the area A bounded by the curve y is equal to f of x, x-axis, and the ordinates x is equal to a and x is equal to b is given by A is equal to modulus of a1 plus a2.